Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to add Grammarly in your Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we need to minimize it and go for our Google Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser, and then search for Grammarly. Here you can see. So click on it. So here you can see there are a lot of options, but we will click on Grammarly for your desktop. So click on it, and then here you will get an option called download Grammarly. Just click on it and restart the download, and here you can see the download is started over here. So it will take some of seconds. So here you can see the download is completed. Now click over it 2 times for installation, minimize it, and here you can see it's getting started. Here is Grammarly icon popped up, and here you can see the Grammarly is getting started. And now they are recording to sign in, so I'm signing my account and click on open Grammarly, minimize it, and here we are in Grammarly over here. Here you can see, and now they will approach you for some demo. We will just click on it and continue with Grammarly. It's free. Took us into Google Chrome, and here you can see all is done over here. So after installing Grammarly, we will go to Word. For that, go to search option and search for Word. Here you can see Microsoft Word. Just click on it, and then here we are in Word, and go for blank document. And now after clicking on blank document, here you can see that Grammarly icon is showing over here. So if we increase our font into 48, and if we write hello and space, and if we write how are you, so already here you can see that Grammarly is detecting one mistake over here. If we click on it, and they are suggesting that you need to remove this, and after that they are suggesting that I made a spelling mistake and the correct spelling is hello. So if you can change it by clicking on that, also you can change it from here. So here you can see in Word it's working. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.